The term "digital dust" can be applied in different situations, but it typically encompasses the residual digital artifacts or footprints that individuals generate through their interactions with technology and the internet. This concept encompasses the digital footprint and data trails that people generate through their online activities. Digital dust can include a wide range of information, such as browsing history, the websites you visit, the searches you perform, and the content you interact with online contribute to your digital dust. Social media activity, your posts, comments, likes, and shares on social media platforms create a digital trail that reflects your online presence. Online transactions, purchases, financial transactions, and interactions with online services leave behind data that contributes to your digital profile. Email communication, the emails you send and receive, as well as the attachments and metadata associated with them, contribute to your digital dust. Device usage, information about the devices you use, their locations, and the apps you install, can also be considered part of your digital footprint. Managing and controlling one's digital dust has become a concern for privacy-conscious individuals, as the cumulative data can be used by companies for targeted advertising, analytics, or other purposes. Additionally, there are growing discussions about digital privacy and the potential implications of leaving a significant digital trail in terms of personal security and data protection. Hi, I'm Wajid Khan. I am trying to explain computer stuff in a simple and engaging manner, so that even non-techies can easily understand, and delivered to your inbox bi-weekly.